Part 3, Silk Road. Before moving further, let us recapitulate. Now we see that Nick Middleton, along with Zaytan, his driver, and Daniel, he moved towards Mount Kailash, and they avoids the difficult path, the long route of Changtang, and they take a smaller route, shortcut. Now they pass through the arid pastures and the rocky areas. There they met antelopes, they met wild asses, and now they came. They saw Tibetan mastiffs, the large dogs. And now we see what happens further. The dog would make chase for 100 meters or so before easing off. Now, this Tibetan mastiff, a large, violent, aggressive dogs, they chase them for 100 meters or so before easing off. Before easing off means before becoming relaxed. Having seen us off the property, when they saw now they have gone, the danger has gone, they then relaxed. It wasn't difficult to understand why ferocious Tibetan mastiffs became popular in China's imperial courts as hunting dogs. And at once, the author he realized okay, how ferocious how violent these mastiffs, Tibetan mastiffs are, and that is why they were so popular in China's royal courts at the time as hunting dogs, and they were brought along the Silk Road only in ancient times as a tribute, as a gift from Tibet. By now, we could see snow capped mountains gathering on the horizon. And now they could see the snow capped mountains. They were appearing on the horizon. We entered a valley where the river was wide and mostly clogged with ice. Now they entered a valley, and the side by side there was a river which was very wide and it was clogged. It was blocked with ice, brilliant white and glinting in the sunshine. The snow was shining in the sunshine. The trail hugged its bank. जो trail था, जो रास्ता था, जो path था of the village, it hugged its bank. Hugged means it was very close. It was very near the bank of the river. But river की बराबर बराबर से रास्ता जा रहा था, twisting with meanders, and the road was also twisting. It was curving with the meanders. जैसे जैसे river curve थी, ऐसे ऐसे road थी. As we gradually gained height, जैसे धीरे धीरे वो हाइट पर चढ़ रहे थे, and valley sides closed in, और धीरे धीरे वैली खत्म हो रही थी, and they were gaining the height. The turns became sharper and ride bumpier. Now, when they were moving up, the turns became very, very sharp and the rides bumpier. Bumpier means more sudden, unpleasant होने जा रहा था उनके movements. Zaytan now in third gear as we climb to continue. Zaytan moved the vehicle in third gear. The track moved away from the icy river, laboring through steepy slopes that sported big rocks daubed with patches of bright orange lichen. And the track moved away from the icy river. अब जो रास्ता है वो icy river से हट गया था, laboring through steeper slopes. Now Zaytan was laboring. They were working hard through steeper slopes, higher slopes पे गाड़ी चढ़ रही थी. That spotted big rocks. अब वहाँ पर जो है, one could see the big rocks which were daubed. Daubed means which were spread over with patches of bright orange lichens. और उन rocks पर क्या देखा जा रहा था? Lichens, orange color lichens. Now see what is a lichen? Lichen is a small gray or yellow plant that spread over the surface of the rocks, walls, or trees with no flowers. So they saw this, and now we struggled round another tight bear. Sorry, lichen. Beneath the rocks, hunks of snow clung on in the near permanent shade, or beneath the rocks. Rocks के जो नीचे the hunks of snow, small pieces of snow. They were clinging. They were on the rocks near the permanent shade. I felt the pressure building up in my ears. Now जैसे वो height पर चढ़ रहे थे, and the author he could feel the atmospheric pressure in his ears. Held my nose, snorted and cleared them. तो writer ने अपने nose को पकड़ा और फिर snort किया. Snorted means he forced the air to come out through his nose. He cleared his nose. So as they were moving up, the pressure was building up in his ears, and the writer he held up his nose. He snorted it. He forcefully cleared his nose. We struggled round another tight bend, and then they, with great struggle, they crossed another bend, and Zaytan stopped the car. He had opened his door and jumped out of his seat before I realized what was going on. Snow, said Daniel, as he too exited the vehicle. और एकदम से Zaytan ने गाड़ी रोकी, and now it was snow in front of them, letting in a breath of cold air as he did so. Now Zaytan jumped out of the seat, then followed by Daniel also came out. A swath of white stuff lay across the track in front of us. At the swathe. Swathe means a large area of white stuff, white snow, lay across the track in front of them. और उनके सामने बहुत बड़ा सा एक एरिया था full of snow, stretching for maybe 15 meters before it pettered out and the dirt trail reappeared. And it was for maybe 15 meters का चौड़े पाथ पर वो फैला हुआ था before it pettered out. Pettered means before it gradually became smaller and then finished. And the dirt trail reappeared. और उसके बाद जो dirt का जो रास्ता था वो दोबारा से आ गया था. The snow continued on either side of us, smoothing the abrupt bank on the upslope side. And the snow continued on either side of us. Snow दोनों तरफ था उनके, smoothing the abrupt bank on the upslope side and smoothing the steep bank on the slope side. The bank was too steeper for our vehicle to scale. और जो बैंक था, जो रोड का जो रास्ता था, वो इतना स्टीप था, इतना हाई था फॉर व्हीकल टू स्केल. सो देर वॉज नो वे राउंड द स्नो पैच. और कोई और रास्ता भी नहीं था जिससे कि वो स्नो पैच को छोड़ सके. मीन्स द स्नो वॉज ऑन द रोड. उसके बाद एकदम बैंक्स थे, जो किनारा था रोड का, डेट वॉज वेरी स्टीप, बिल्कुल ही वो एब्रप्ट था. आई जॉइन डैनियल as Zatan stepped onto the encrusted snow and began to slither and slide forward, stamping his foot from time to time to ascertain how sturdy it was. Now, I joined Daniel as Zatan stepped onto the encrusted snow. The writer also came out, author also came out of the car, and they stepped onto the encrusted snow. Encrusted means which was covered with crust. एक पपड़ी सा snow बन गया था. Now, when they began to slither, now they walked with ease. Easily, they were walking on that. They began to slither and slide forward. धीरे धीरे with great ease they were walking. Stamping means beating the snow, their foot from time to time to ascertain how sturdy it was. वो बार बार उसके ऊपर beat कर रहे थे ये देखने के लिए कि how firm, how hard it was. I looked at my wristwatch. We were at 5,210 meters above sea level. At that point, the author, he looked at his watch and it showed that they were so much high above the sea level. The snow didn't look too deep to me, but the danger wasn't its depth, Daniel said, so much as its icy top layer. But the snow didn't look too deep to me. Naturally, author को इतना idea नहीं था कि snow कितना deep है, but the danger was not the depth. Danger था उसका icy top layer का. If we slip off, the car could turn over. अगर वो वहाँ पर slip हो गए तो कार एकदम पलट जाएगी, he suggested. As we saw Zatan grab the handfuls of dirt and fling them across the frozen surface. And then they saw Zatan, he took some dirt, handful of dirt, उसने कुछ dust उठाई नीचे से, and he spread them across the frozen surface. उन्होंने बर्फ के ऊपर वो डाल दिया. We both pitched in, and when the snow was spread with soil, Daniel and I stayed out of the vehicle to lighten Zatan's load. And we both pitched in. They both, Daniel as well as the author, they pitched in means they joined Zatan in spreading the dirt, in spreading the soil over the mud over the snow. Daniel and the author, they stayed out of the vehicle so that Zatan will be easy for him to carry the load. He backed up and drove towards the dirty snow. और धीरे धीरे अब Zatan ने गाड़ी को पहले बैक किया, अब वो स्नो के ऊपर चलता रहा था, dirty snow. Eased the car on its icy surface. Eased means he moved very, very slowly on the icy surface and slowly drove its length without apparent difficulty. और धीरे धीरे वो उसको पार कर दिया without any visible difficulty.